Now, if you have no kids, and these people won't stop talking about their family life and their kids, I know it's tough, because just 3 years ago I had no kids, now I can't stop talking about it, right? But back when I was over here and I had no kids, and I wanted to influence people and build relationships, people love to talk about their kids and show you pictures and all this stuff. And 20 minutes goes by, and you're thinking, like, all right, how do I get out of this conversation, or how do I veer towards something else? Because I don't have anything to contribute, right? So I'm like, oh wow, how many times can I say, oh cute, right? So if you're in this situation, take solace in the fact, there you go, right? So take solace in the fact that if someone is talking about their family, they trust you, they like you, and they're not going anywhere. So use this opportunity. They're not. If they have an open audience to talk about their family, and I'm the culprit too, I get it. When they're talking about their family, they know that you know that they're going to keep having that conversation with you. So you can already start thinking about how you kind of influence them in other ways. So have other parts of your family life that you can then bring up and you talk about while they're talking about their family. Is it aunts, or is it nieces and nephews? Is it my mom keeps asking when are we going to have a kid, and we keep trying to push it off. That's why I got the dog to hopefully, right? Have something prepared to have that conversation, but keep them talking about their family, because that will always build a stronger relationship with somebody. But if they have no kids and you're talking a lot about your kids, again, reverse it. Is this person starting to kind of not care anymore? And be honest with yourself, because you could talk about them forever, but feel like maybe you're pushing them out a little bit and maybe not connecting at the same level. Maybe reel it back, start talking about something else, ask them about themselves, and get that going. So the family life dynamic, sometimes people want to talk more about the life, right? You want to talk about Ironman competitions and recovering from your injury and stuff like that. That is part of your life. So we want to talk about that